Hello everyone, welcome to our session number 3 of chapter 1, A Happy Child and Three Little Pigs. In our previous session, I told you one story of three little pigs. Children, let's recall the story with a story map. Look at this story map. In this story map, we have to write the main characters of the story. Tell me, who were the main character in the story? Fast. Yes, three little pigs. Their names were Sonu, Monu and Gonu. And Big Bad Wolf was the supporting character. Where did it take place? Yes, in a small town. And what was the problem in the story? The wolf blew away the houses of two pigs which were made of straw and sticks. And at the end, what happened? Tell me. I am waiting for your answer. Yes, three pigs lived together in a strong brick house. So children, have you enjoyed this? Yes, very good. Now let us move on to new words. During the story, we have learnt some new words. They are pigs, straw, sticks, bricks, huff and puff, wolf, blow, down, strong, and last one is together. Together means साथ में रहना. Now let us move on to opposite words. This is a little house. What is the opposite of little? Because little's meaning is small. So big. Little, big. Next one is the boy is laughing. So laugh. What is the opposite of laugh? Cry. Children, have you ever sat on a seesaw? Yes. You know, on the seesaw, we go up and down, up and down. So, what is the opposite word of up? Yes, down. Very good. And the last one, happy and sad. So, the opposite word of happy is sad. Let us learn meanings of different words. Straw. Straw means dried grass. Look at this picture. It shows the dried grass from which Sonu made his house. Stick. A thick piece of wood. And in the story, Monu lived in a house of sticks. Next is strong. Here in this story, as we are talking about the strong house, so we can say that here strong means which cannot be broken easily, means strong. In this picture, it is a brick house which is a strong house. Let us move ahead with make sentence. Big. We have to make sentence using this word big. I live in a big house. Another sentence for big is an elephant is a big animal. So start making different sentences for this word. Let us move on to another word, that is little. I have a little brother. Little means small. मेरा एक छोटा भाई है. Let us read these questions. Who is good? Who is bad? Tell me. Pig is good or bad? Good. Very good. And wolf is bad because he blew down 3 pigs' houses. Now, children, you all know the story. Can you all answer my questions? Okay, let's try the answer in one word. Who were Sonu, Monu, and Gonu? Pigs. How many pigs were there in the story? कितने pigs थे? 3 pigs. So we will write 3. Next question is, was the wolf good or bad? Answer is bad. Question number 4. What is your house made of? Yes, bricks. As it is a strong house. Let us move on to answer the following questions. Question number 1 is, one day who came to 3 pigs' houses? कौन आया था? One day a big bad wolf came to 3 pigs' houses. What did the big wolf say to the pigs? क्या बोला? The big wolf said to the pigs that he would huff and puff and would blow down their houses. Huff and puff करके उनका house गिरा देगा, है ना? Let's do the exercise which is given in your textbook. Look at this picture. In this picture, there are so many animals. They are farm animals, wild animals, and water animals. And we have to match that animals with respective places where they live. Now find out the farm animals. Horse, hen, dog. Very good. Cow. Which animal is left? Buffalo. These all are farm animals. Now we will match the wild animals with the jungle. Yes, giraffe, monkey, bear, and rhinoceros. They are wild animals and they live in the jungle. Now we will match the water animals with water. Crocodile and frog are water animals, and so we will match them with water. Make a list of different farm, wild, and water animals. Children, look at these words. You must have come across these words many times while reading and writing. These words are called sight words. You know, children, sight words are very important because while reading them, you will improve your reading skill as well as concentration. So, for your understanding, I have classified some of the sight words according to the vowels. Let's read them. So, children, are you ready to learn these words? Do you know what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. And these are 3-letter words made with the vowel. All sounds differently. First, vowel A. A sounds A. Bat, cat. In the same way, some other words are M-A-N, man, F-A-T, fat. Next is E. E sounds A. Jet, bid. Like L-E-G, leg, and G-E-T, get. Now I. B-I-G, big, D-I-G, dig. Make one other word for I. Yes, fig. Very good. O. M-O-P, mop. T-O-P, top. O sounds O. U sounds A. M-U-G, mug. S-U-N, sun. You also make some different words with these vowels. It's time for homework. I know you will enjoy this homework as you have to fill the color in this house. Before that, you have to join the dots and then you start coloring. Children, I hope you enjoyed this session and you should read other stories too. We will meet in our next session with a new lesson. Till then, take care. Thank you.